Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question. How was your commute this morning? Was it 30 minutes? An hour? Stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic, burning gas, and time you'll never get back? Now, imagine this instead. Your commute is a 30-second walk from your bed to your desk, coffee in hand. You have more freedom, more flexibility, and here's the best part. You're earning a six-figure income. Sounds like a pipe dream, right? Well, it's not. In 2025, the game has completely changed. Today, we are breaking down 15 high-income jobs you can do right from home, plus a special bonus job for those of you who stick around to the end. Let's dive in. Number 1. The software developer. This is one of the cornerstones of the remote work world. As a remote software developer, you are the architect of the digital age. You design, build, and maintain the applications and websites that millions of people use every single day. Companies are in a constant battle for skilled developers and are more than willing to pay top dollar for talent, no matter where you live. Potential income, $110,000 to $190,000 plus per year. Senior developers can earn well over $200,000. Key skills, proficiency in languages like Python, JavaScript, or Go, strong problem-solving skills, and a portfolio showcasing your work. Number 2. The cybersecurity analyst. In a world run on data, you are the digital fortress builder. As a cybersecurity analyst, your job is to protect a company's computer networks and systems from hackers and threats. With cyber attacks on the rise, this role isn't just in demand. It's absolutely critical, making it a lucrative and stable remote career. Potential income ranging from $100,000 to $150,000 plus per year. Key skills required would be simply knowledge of network security, ethical hacking, risk analysis, and holding certifications like the CSSP can give you a major edge. Number 3. The product manager. Think of yourself as the CEO of a specific product. A remote product manager sets the vision and strategy for a product, deciding what gets built and why. You'll work with engineering, marketing, and design teams to guide a product from a simple idea to a successful launch, all coordinated through virtual meetings and project management tools. Potential income ranging from $120,000 to $185,000 plus per year. Key skills required would be simply strategic thinking, leadership, communication, and a deep understanding of the market and user needs. Number 4. The senior copywriter. Word sell. And as a senior copywriter, you are a master of persuasion. You craft the compelling text for websites, email campaigns, ads, and sales pages that convince people to take action. Great copywriters are worth their weight in gold because their work directly generates revenue, making this a high-income skill you can do from anywhere. Potential income ranging from $85,000 to $150,000 plus per year, with top freelancers earning even more. Key skills required exceptional writing ability, understanding of marketing and psychology, and a portfolio that shows you can get results. Number 5. The UI/UX designer. Ever used an app that was just a joy to navigate? You can thank a UI/UX designer for that. Your job is to make technology human-friendly. You design how a product looks, UI, user interface, and how it feels to use, UX, user experience. Companies know a great design is key to customer retention, and they pay handsomely for it. Potential income ranging from $95,000 to $160,000 plus per year. Key skills required would be proficiency in design software like Figma or Sketch, user research, wireframing, and a strong design portfolio. Number 6. The management consultant. Traditionally a job that involved living out of a suitcase, management consulting has gone remote. You are a high-level problem solver. Companies hire you to analyze their biggest challenges, from improving profits to restructuring departments, and provide expert solutions and strategies for them to implement. Potential income ranging from $130,000 to $250,000 plus per year. Key skills required would be superior analytical and problem-solving skills, excellent communication, and often an MBA or deep industry expertise. Number 7. The data scientist. Data is the new oil, and you know how to refine it. A data scientist analyzes massive, complex datasets to uncover trends and insights that help a company make strategic decisions. It's a highly intellectual and sought-after role that companies are desperate to fill. Potential income ranging from $125,000 to $200,000 plus per year. Key skills required would be expertise in machine learning, statistics, and programming languages like Python or R. Number 8. The Senior Recruiter/Talent Acquisition Manager. You are a professional matchmaker for the corporate world. You find, attract, and hire the best talent to fill crucial roles within a company. Since talent is global, companies need remote recruiters who can find the perfect candidate, whether they're in Omaha or Amsterdam. Potential income ranging from $90,000 to $140,000 plus per year, often with significant bonuses. Key skills would be excellent interpersonal skills, networking abilities, and a deep understanding of the hiring process and market trends. Number 9. The Digital Marketing Director. You're not just running ads. You're orchestrating the entire online presence of a brand. A digital marketing director develops and oversees the strategy for everything from SEO and content marketing to social media and paid advertising, ensuring it all works together to grow the business. Potential income ranging $115,000 to $175,000 plus per year. Key skills required would be a broad and deep understanding of all digital marketing channels, leadership, and strong analytical skills. Number 10. The Medical Writer. This is a highly specialized and respected field. You'll take complex medical and scientific information and translate it into clear, accurate documents like clinical trial reports, research articles, or regulatory paperwork for the FDA. This niche expertise commands a very high salary. Potential income ranging $90,000 to $145,000 plus per year. Key skills required a background in science or medicine, flawless writing and research skills, and extreme attention to detail. Number 11. The Financial Advisor. You help individuals and families achieve their financial goals. As a remote financial advisor, you can manage investment portfolios, provide retirement planning advice, and meet with clients from all over the country via video conference and secure online portals. Potential income ranging from $80,000 to $200,000 plus, as income is often tied to the assets you manage. Key skills required would be deep financial knowledge, certifications like CFP, Certified Financial Planner, and strong client relationship skills. Number 12. The E-commerce Store Owner. This one puts you in the driver's seat. Whether you're dropshipping, selling your own products, or using a model like Amazon FBA, running a successful e-commerce store can be incredibly lucrative. Your income ceiling is determined by your own hustle and business savvy. Potential income ranging from highly variable, but successful store owners can easily make $100,000 to $500,000 plus in profit per year. Key skills required would be digital marketing, supply chain management, customer service, and a strong entrepreneurial spirit. Number 13. The Technical Writer. You are the bridge between brilliant engineers and everyday users. Technical writers create the clear, concise documentation that explains how software, hardware, or any complex product works. Your ability to make the complicated simple is an incredibly valuable skill. Potential income ranging from $80,000 to $120,000 plus per year. Key skills required are excellent writing ability, the skill to grasp technical concepts, and a focus on clarity and precision. Number 14. The Senior Video Editor. In a world obsessed with video, you are the storyteller. From major YouTubers to global corporations, everyone needs polished, engaging video content. As a senior editor, you're not just cutting clips, you're shaping the narrative and emotion of a story. Potential income ranging from $75,000 to $130,000 plus per year, with top freelancers billing much higher. Key skills required would be mastery of software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, a strong sense of pacing, and storytelling skills. Number 15. The Online Business Manager, OBM. You are the operational backbone for successful online entrepreneurs. While the CEO focuses on vision and growth, you manage the day-to-day operations, overseeing projects, managing the team, and ensuring the business runs like a well-oiled machine. It's a critical leadership role. Potential income ranging $70,000 to $110,000 plus per year. Key skills required are project management, team leadership, systems thinking, and being extremely organized. Bonus job: the Cloud Solutions Architect. Okay, for all of you who stuck around to the end, I've got a massive bonus for you. This is one of the most in-demand and highest-paying remote roles on the market right now, the Cloud Solutions Architect. A cloud architect designs and oversees a company's cloud computing strategy, usually using platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. You're literally designing the blueprint for a company's entire technical infrastructure in the cloud. It's a huge responsibility, and the paycheck reflects that. Potential income ranging $150,000 to $250,000 plus per year. Key skills are deep expertise in a major cloud platform, AWS is king, knowledge of networking and security, and high-level strategic planning. So there you have it, 15 amazing high-income jobs, plus a powerhouse bonus that you can do without ever stepping foot in a traditional office. The opportunity is out there. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these jobs surprised you the most, and what remote career path did I miss? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. I love reading your feedback. If you got any value from this video, do me a favor and smash that like button. It tells YouTube you enjoyed it and helps the channel grow. And for more videos on building a modern career and achieving financial freedom, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. Now go make it happen.